Trillion peso march. Organizers expect 30,000 at February 25 protest. Ito ay article ng ABS-CBN. Progressive Coalition Tindig Pilipinas expects more than 30,000 to join its third trillion peso march on February 25, which will also be a commemoration of EDSA People Power. Ako medyo naguguluhan ako sa pag-organize ng trillion peso march. Bakit ang lalayo nung agwat, 'di ba? Pero sa bagay parang mas binubuhay nito uli yung usapin tungkol sa flood control projects na naging go-go's projects, naging projects na mga kumukuha ng pera. At least mabubuhay uli, kumbaga. Pero syempre kung hindi ganung kasunod-sunod yung events, para sa akin to ay parang nawawala yung essence nung pag-iingay nung tao. 'Di ba? Anyway, the gathering is among a series of protests calling for stronger action against corruption in flood control projects. The Tindig Pilipinas co-convenor Francis Kiko Aquino D said the event team Tayo ang People Power Laban sa Korupsyon at Dinastiya will begin at 8 a.m. with a prayer march for the EDSA Shrine in Pasig. So yun yung simula ng program, may prayer sa umaga. D said the decision to hold a third march was made collectively by Tindig Pilipinas and its partners that include Catholic church groups, labor unions, and civil society groups. He noted that while the government had promised that big fish, ay nako, big fish na yan, would be jailed by mid-December, there have been few developments since then, di ba? May big fish na ba nahuli? Parang medium fish pa lang Diba? Hindi naman small fish, parang medium fish pa lang yung mga nahuhuli Baka in the coming days may mahuling dalawang senador, diba, na big fish. Pero hindi tungkol sa flood control project. Former Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr. has been charged and arrested over a flood control project in Bulacan. So yon, at least meron tayong isang nakasuhan. Pero former senator Senators Jingoy Estrada and Joel Villanueva are also facing preliminary investigations on preliminary rap. So ito, merong iniimbestigahan pa lang na mga senador na medyo big fish din, diba? Ayun, palakpakan. Puro investigasyon Yung problema Ito sabi ni D, mabuting hakbang ito na may big fish na makukulong pero kulang pa rin. May big fish, to be honest, progress yan, pero kulang pa rin po, di ba? Hindi pa sapat. Kumbaga, nandun pa rin sa power yung mga big fish na yan. They also raised concern that some allegedly linked to flood control anomalies seem to be evading accountability due to their proximity to President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Ayan pa isa, may kampihang nagaganap. Ano ba naman yan? Among the March key demands is the passage of legislation for a body that would have more power to investigate corruption than the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, which is seen to be winding down operations. Ayun, dapat daw magtatag ang gobyerno ng isang body na mas mataas pa yung power kaysa sa ICI. Yung ICI parang ginawa lang para may pakulo. Diba? Anyway, ito sabi ulit ni D, kailangan natin ng isang malinaw na batas na nagtatakda ng kanyang mandato at magbibigay ng kapangyarihan na hindi nakatali sa Malacanang para maimbestigahan din nila yung presidente kung sakaling involved nga siya dito sa issue o hindi, di ba? Kumbaga may kampihan nga nagaganap yan yung problema. The ICI has remained recommendatory and has forwarded its finding to the Office of the Ombudsman for further action. Ayun pa isa, kampi din yung ombudsman na yun. They added that Filipinos should see people power as a space and not just a moment in history. Ito sabi ni D, espasyo siya na pwedeng gamitin ng kahit sinong may malakas na damdamin tungkol sa mga nangyayari dito sa ating bansa, lalo na sa gobyerno. The main program will start at the People Power Monument at noon. Activities at the monument will run from 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. followed by a 6 p.m. mass in the EDSA shrine to be led by Archbishop Sok Villegas. So, yan, may misa ding mangyayari sa 25. Caritas Philippines will hold a concert at 8 p.m. marking the hour closest to the time in 1986 that the country ousted the Marcos Sr. dictatorship. So, may concert din sa oras na kung saan pinatalsik nga ang Marcos nun. And nakita ko rin, tapos yung article na binasa ko, pero nakita ko rin na parang magde-deploy ang PNP ng 11,000 uniform personnel para sa kaligtasan ng mga Athens sa Million Peso March. So, ayun. Sa mga Athens, good luck po sa inyo. Actually, parang 1 linggo higit pa ang aabutin. So, that will be on Wednesday. Hala, wala kami pasok sa Wednesday! Yun talaga inisip ko, sira ulo ako. Anyway, ayun. Ingat po ang lahat sa mga dadalawa kasi alam ko meron ding parang gaganaping parang ganito on iba't ibang lugar. So mag-ingat po kayo. Ano masasabi nyo sa Trillion Peso March na gaganapin sa February 25? Comment down below.